Hello, today we will guide you through how to create flashcards with Claude AI. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn a simple way to use Claude to generate flashcards from a prompt. This is helpful if you're studying for a test, reviewing a topic, or turning notes into a more active learning format. The process is short and straightforward, and once you know the basic flow, you can repeat it for almost any subject. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. Starting a fresh chat is useful because it gives you a clean workspace and helps keep your flashcard requests separate from any earlier conversations. When you're on the new chat screen, take a moment to make sure you're ready to type your request clearly. A focused prompt usually leads to better results, especially when you want the output in a specific format like question and answer flashcards. Next, in the message box, enter a sample prompt asking Claude to create flashcards and then press enter to submit it. Your prompt can be simple and direct. For example, you might ask Claude to create flashcards on a topic you're studying, or to turn a block of study material into a set of review cards. The clearer your prompt is, the more useful the flashcards are likely to be. If needed, mention the subject, the difficulty level, or the number of flashcards you want. That extra context can help Claude tailor the response to your learning needs. After you send the prompt, Claude will generate flashcards based on your request. As you review the output, look for clear questions, accurate answers, and a format that is easy to study from. If the first result isn't exactly what you want, you can refine your prompt in a follow-up message by asking for shorter answers, simpler wording, or more detailed cards. This can be especially useful if you're studying a complex topic and want the material broken down into smaller pieces. That's all it takes to get started. By opening a new chat, entering a clear flashcard prompt, and reviewing the response, you can quickly create study materials with Claude. Once you get comfortable with the process, you can use the same method again and again for different subjects, making your study routine faster and more organized.